Hello, you're welcome back. We're still treating bearing. And we have a question on the board. Two ships leave port at the same time. One travels at 5 kilometers per hour on a bearing of 046 degrees. The other one travels at 9 kilometers per hour on a bearing of 127 degrees. We have to find how far apart the ships, how far apart are the ships after 2 hours. As usual, we start by indicating the positions, and then after the diagram, we start solving. Solution. Okay. Let's take that the ships started from here. Going back to the question, one travels on a bearing of 046. The other one travels on a bearing of 127. 127 should go from here right to this point. So let us assume it's here. And then let's take that the other one stopped here and the other one also stopped here. So we are talking of this distance. So let's take that this is our A starting point, B and C. Now, the first one was traveling at 5 kilometers per hour. That means in 2 hours, it will cover 10 kilometers. So this should be our 10 kilometers. While the other one was traveling at 9 kilometers per hour, in 2 hours, it will be 18. Okay, so we want to know the distance apart after 2 hours. But before we continue, we need to know this angle. How do we calculate this angle? Remember, from here to here is 46, but from here to here is 127. So for us to know angle A, we have to subtract 46 from 127. So angle A should be equal to 127 minus 46. And this will give us 1, and this will be 8. So angle A is 81 degrees. And then remember that this is small a. When you are given two sides and one angle, you have to use a cosine rule. But if you are given two angles or three angles with one side, you use a sine. So we move on. That means we are now talking of a squared equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. Remember that we have gotten a to be 81. So that means that a squared is equal to, what is our b? 18 squared plus, what is our c? 10 minus 2 times 18 times 10 cos 81. So a squared now is equal to, this one will give us, it should be 324. 324. 324 plus 100, then minus 180, this 360. 360 degrees cos 81. So that will give us This is adding it to be 424 minus 360 times, you check either your calculator or four-figure table, and the cos 31 is 0.1564. 0.1564. Now, moving on, you multiply, and that will give us 424 minus, when you multiply the 2, you have 56. 56.32. And then after the subtraction, you have 367. 367.68. That's after you subtract this from this. You get 367.68. Remember where this is a squared. If a squared is equal to 367.68, therefore a is equal to square root of that, 367.68. And that will give us, we find the square root, that will give us 19.175, approximately equal to 19.2 kilometers. 19.2 kilometers. So that means the two ships are 19.2 kilometers apart. Therefore, the ships are 19.2 kilometers apart after 2 hours. So that is the answer, and that's the end of the question. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If there's any question, let me see it in the comment section, so that in my next video I will find solution to it. Thank you.